this video, I'm going to show you how I get my 88.2% win rate. So, I'm going to show you guys the stocks that I got. This is the list of them. I started this January 28th. It's now February 28th, so it's been 1 month exactly. And let me actually check my phone real quick too. But let me show you guys these for now. I made 554% this month, which is not bad at all, but my all-time greatest was 7,900% in 3 months. That was really good, but this new strategy that I'm using, the other one was in a bull market. It was just kind of just buying calls, and then they all just kind of worked out, but this one is actual strategy with an entry and exit point instead of just buying calls at demand zone. So let me show you them. First of all, we can see right here that during this time, the S&P was down 1.4%. So it's not like it was in a bull run and all these were great and all this and that. Then this is my open order right now is QGen. I can show you guys that in just a second too. First one I bought was Hershey. This one, it was on a supply or support turn resistance or whatever way it is. Resistance turn support. It came off. It was in that zone and bounced off. Bought it as soon as I saw my entry signal, which I'll show you guys in a second as well. Burlington, XRT, Roblox. This is my first put using this, and it worked out very well. It's the exit number 1. I had 2 contracts. I sold 1 here, held the rest up till my actual exit. Bank of America, WRBY. This one took a little bit to make the move. The rest of them make it in like 2 or 3 days. They fully just take off. This one took a little while. UGI hit it pretty quick. CNC, that one hit it pretty quick as well. Then we have TDC, that one hit it pretty quick. I had 2 exit points, or not an exit, this was more of resistance. See how it moves, because that was a swing low right there. Or no, that's recently. Back there, I don't know. I'm not looking at it right now, but that's what it was. Victoria's Secret, this was a nice trade. 2 exits on it. I sold 1 contract at the start, 1 at the end. WH, that was nice as well. I sold 2 contracts on my swing low and sold 1 more right here. And then I had 1 more exit that it did hit, but I sold all of them right here. Welltower, this one took a second. This was, what would that be? This was a couple weeks actually. I'd try to buy 1 to 3 week contracts. That's what I genuinely go for. TDS hit it really quick. This was a more recent trade a couple days ago this week. Home B, I sold it as soon as I saw it break above this on this day. I sold it. It didn't fully hit it, but I sold it like right here. I could have got an extra like, I don't know, like $40, $50, but I sold it right there. Glad I did, and then look, it just came right down. It did at full take profits though. Marna, I sold all of them right here, from being honest, because I bought it. It was a great buy, a little choppy. It came up and then I sold them. And then I'm kind of glad I did, because look, it came down, would have hit my stop loss, and I would have sold it. And then it would have came right back up. But it did come up to full take profits. That's why I'm putting it in here as well. And it is my trade. Now, my 2 losses are NU. Bought it right here. Came up. I was up a little bit. Then, boom, plummeted right down. And then ACN. That one just, I don't even know. That just happened out of nowhere. I was up a good amount, and boom. That's what happened. But those are my trades that I have took since January 28th with my 88% win rate, which is why I'm making this video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. Euro USD, perfect. Okay. Let's go. I'm going to go pretty far back here. We're going to go 1 year. I'll go 2 years back. If I do that, what day is it? I don't know why I moved those. February. Boom. Okay. 2 month chart here. This is 2 years back. I honestly don't know where the market stood 2 years back because I just started investing a little over a year ago and trading almost a year ago. First thing I'm going to do, we're going to go to the 4 hour chart, my 4 hour, 15 minute. This is also another trade that I'm in right now. It didn't really work out that great at the start, but we're going to see how it turns out. It's still above my stop loss, which is good to know. Okay, 4 hour, zoom out. With the information given, this is an uptrend. It actually looks like I'm already in a perfect zone. Look at this. This is a nice order block where you want to look for this, a quick move up, and then right here's an order block, or else right down here would be my demand, but we can see there's a couple days of consolidation right here. And it just is in that zone already. I am going to set my other one though in case it does break this zone. This is my stronger demand. There's a little more consolidation in it starting from the 11th. There's 2 days consolidation here, and this one has the 13th. We'll say right there, just 1 day consolidation. But it was consolidating here. Now, let's go to the 15 minute. You guys are going to see live exactly what I'm looking for. Starting off, I am actually going to mark this stuff out. Where's my trend line at? Looks like this is our low right here. It can't break this low. If it breaks this low, I have to wait for the next. Is that even? No. If it breaks this low, I have to wait for it to make another high, then another low. Boom. It does look like it might actually break this low. And then we're looking to break this high. Like that. Okay. Now we're going to see how this plays out. Bar by bar. What just happened? Did it delete that? It's coming up. Oh, no, it's back. I don't know what just happened there. So far, so good. It is coming down, though. Oh, nope, we're up now. Look at that. It just broke above it. And it is uptrending right here, too. You could honestly do that. I like to wait for a bigger move to be hit first, but I could have done this. I have done it before, but I also have lost a couple before. Boom. Then it made a high. Honestly, just right there. I'd say that was the high. I put a horizontal line. But so I could have bought it right here and it came down and retested that. This actually would have been a better buy, I feel like. But it's coming up. I'm going to buy it right here. This is pretty good. So now I'm going to go to my 4 hours and look for an exit point. Exit point is going to be, let's see. These 3 wicks all came down to about the same zone. We're going to say the red wicks. There's 2 of them at the same exact level. That's going to be our exit. Okay, take trade. Risking, I don't know. I don't do account size. 5% of the account. Sure. I just buy option contracts. Take profit. Stop loss right below demand. All right, it looks like it's a 1 to 2 pretty much. So we're going to submit that. 4 hour play, and let's watch how this works. Boom. $1,000 hit like that. It actually came right to my exit point. It went a little above it. I could have got a little more out of that, but I'd rather just take a strong profit. But that's all it is. Let me show you guys. This is all that you have to look for right here. This was XRT. This was a good example. I highlighted it right here. So it's coming down. This is 15-minute, 4 hour demand zone right here. It came down, touched in it. We made a low right here where my crosshair is. Made a high right here. Next low, I like to look for my lows on the red candle. It closed the lowest right here, so already higher low. It's a good sign. Then it broke above that high, and then it retested it as well. This is where I really saw it, was on this retest, and I bought it when this candle turned green. And that's all it is. You guys can look at this all you want, screenshot it, whatever it is. This is all that you need to look for. And this is Forex. I looked up before which one follows 4-hour demand zones the most, and it said USD and Euro, which is why I chose it. But normally, what I do, I have these screeners right here, demand, and then I have supply zone too. I scanned through these today. I only found like 2 of them that I liked because my rules are it must be uptrending and in a 4-hour demand zone or by a 4-hour demand zone. But a lot of these were a little choppy for me, which I didn't really like. I could have found a couple more, but I'd rather not. BDX right here, like this is one that I'm looking at right now. I'm waiting for this. I've been watching it for 2 days now. At first, this is what I was looking for, was right here. When I first found it, we were looking like, oh no, that's not my low. Right here's my low. We were looking like that. Next day, it dropped way low, so I deleted these lines, let it run for the day, and now I have it made right here. This is what I'm looking for. Is for it to break this high. Actually, hold on. Yeah, break that high. I don't know. I'm going to have to go over this again. I think I messed this up. Then we're looking at OC. Boom, boom, boom. Broke that. It's holding above this little level, but I like a bigger high than low to be hit. But that's all it really is, guys. That is my 88% win rate strategy. Supply and demand zone, and then a 15-minute change of character. That's all that this is. You just seen me do it live right here. It's that simple. Anyone can do it. It just takes a little bit of time to get familiar with it and to be a little more comfortable with it. Thank you guys for watching.